The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R is a high-performance superbike known for its cutting-edge technology, aerodynamic efficiency, and race-inspired engineering. Future iterations of the ZX-10R are expected to feature enhanced aerodynamics, including active winglets for improved downforce and stability at high speeds. Kawasaki may introduce hybrid or electric-assisted technology, providing instant torque while maintaining lightweight agility. The next generation ZX-10R could incorporate adaptive suspension, assisted traction control, and an upgraded cornering ABS system for superior handling. A fully digital TFT instrument cluster with 5G connectivity may allow real-time diagnostics, navigation, and race telemetry. Improved frame rigidity using advanced carbon fiber composites could reduce weight while increasing stability. Future models may also feature variable valve timing, VVT, for better power delivery across the rev range. Kawasaki might enhance quick shifter technology, reducing shift times and increasing acceleration efficiency. A refined exhaust system compliant with evolving emissions standards could maintain performance while meeting eco-friendly regulations. Additionally, advanced rider assist features, such as radar-based adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and collision warnings, could enhance safety. The future ZX-10R will likely retain its aggressive styling, high-revving inline-4 engine, and track-dominating capabilities, reinforcing its superbike supremacy.